A customer asked if the temperature control accuracy can be plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. Arlia can customize the solution. However, it also depends on the specific working conditions. For example, our company's refrigeration and heating temperature control system can achieve plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius. For example, it is used for temperature control of reaction chambers in semiconductor manufacturing processes and non-flammable heat transfer media. For fluid temperature control places, it is recommended to use LTS series equipment with fluorinated fluid. However, this customer needs to use it in the machinery manufacturing end process, and only requires a single temperature control accuracy, and the budget is relatively low, which cannot match the corresponding needs.